871 days on New Holland. Fear and Greed Index is at 23%, which is extreme fear. And Bitcoin is currently trading at the 47.6k. Pretty much in the same range as it was 2-3 days ago, or even a week. Nothing changed. Bitcoin still inside of the downtrend resistance channel. The next 2-3 days we may see the breakout out of this downtrend resistance channel only if we're gonna stay above the 47k. Obviously the gap would be thinner and thinner at that time, so we may see some pump in the volume there and maybe some action. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame indicators. RSI is looking neutral, MACD is looking neutral, currently starting the red phase, pretty small one. Volume below the average one, and 250 MA is above, which is not that significant on a 4-hour time frame, but it is significant on a daily time frame. We are currently in the middle of 50-100. 50 MA is having some pretty significant cross to the downside on a daily time frame, which can create that cross in the next 2 months approximately on a daily time frame. On a daily also, MACD just starting a green phase right now, so I can imagine it's preparing for a breakout from outside of the downtrend channel. Also, RSI on a daily is looking slightly oversold. Volume is kind of average one, and yeah, 200 is currently below our trading candle, slightly below. We are kind of bouncing from it. It's currently staying at 47k, so again 47k area is pretty significant for us. On a weekly time frame, MACD is currently in a red phase, RSI neutral, volume average, and we are currently trading inside of in the middle of 21 and 50 moving average on a weekly time frame. Monthly, nothing changed on the monthly. On the next candle we may see some changes, so but not now. So yeah, that's pretty much all TA for the Bitcoin. BTC dominance is currently kind of trading at the lows, currently at 40.8%. Ethereum pretty much in the same range as Bitcoin, kind of trading flat. Right now it's minus 19% from all-time highs, from a previous all-time highs. So yeah, that's pretty much all TA for today. Let's move on to the news. And as you can imagine, we had some pretty significant news during those 3 days, but all of that thing is in the past, so let's move on to the most recent one. Robinhood is launching crypto gift program, and also the most significant that was in the past, that from Jerome Powell. He says that he dismisses crypto as a financial stability concern, but warns they are risky. Obviously, crypto means all of the cryptocurrency, even the one that is going 50% on an uptick and 50% on a downtick each time. Obviously you can consider those things are risky, but for the financial stability, all of those things are not a concern, because at the end of the day everything will be adjusted. So yeah, that's pretty much all news and TA for today. Hoping for the next breakout to the upside and not to the downside from a 47k. It would be pretty sad, but to the upside, because we're like in a downtrend for more than a month we were in a downtrend, so maybe it's time to have some pumps finally. So in the next 2 roughly days, hoping for the breakout to the upside from a downtrend resisting channel, and obviously 60k test will be pretty great for us. So yeah, to the moon.